Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.